shaving cream and contact solution.
Where's mine?
So first we need to pour the glue in. And Eli has loads of oh, I just did.
This is our glitter. And mine is a lot.
Yeah. Okay, now we open the shaving cream.
How do I open mine?
Yeah, shaving cream. Shaving cream.
Is that delicious? It's a lot.
And this is about how much you should use.
We just need to shake it up again.
And now we need to put some of the contact solution in.
It's got in my mouth.
And now we just need some.
I want some. It's gonna be so awesome. Contos. Are you really? Well, I'm gonna squirt it in. Mine is too.
It's starting to get harder.
Mine is too.
I almost picked up the whole thing.
It's almost getting fluffy. What?
It should look like this when you can start mixing with your hands.
Why is the camera looking at us only now?
Because it's on.
Guys, we're making fluffy slime again.
No, again.
Shaving cream on you.
Stop, Eli.
Shaving cream on you. You do it?
No, you keep mixing. Oh, what's your hands yet?
Yes. Yes, you're doing that. Mine's good, fluffy. Oh yeah, look.
You should help him.
Get out there. Yay.
Still good.
Love. Contact. Wait, high five. Leah, high five.
No. I am almost done with my slime.
Mommy, you just get this off me.
You want to make this at home, make sure to watch this video until the end. And we also might add some food coloring.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Today we're doing a food challenge. I need the towel.
Boop, 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 boop.
I need to put it on me. I'm gonna get my real off. Get off me. Let me see.
Here's mine.
Mommy, now how am I gonna get this on me? Don't wash it. Eat some one. You're gonna get
Stop! Leave my shirt dirty.
Leah hurt me.
Then don't touch her.
She hit me first.
We made slime! We're gonna add food coloring.
Hi, Leah. Mine's gonna be so blue. Now it's gonna be so bluish.
We're adding glitter to ours.
And now it's gonna be loosest.
If you want to make galaxy slime, you should use these two colors. This is robin egg blue and pink, and some blue glitter.
It's gonna be green blood.
Now we're just
It's making ground blood sus. What? Yeah, you're gonna turn into green size.
That's what it looks like.
But this is
And it's actually making blue.
mine's actually making news. News are like Stormtrooper. No, like it's not.
Looks like you're pouring out ice